Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy your Spring Boot application into AWS. So for that, you need to have Java JDK environment installed into your Windows operating system. So to check if Java is installed into your system or not, just type command prompt and just type Java hyphen version. So if it shows something like this, the Java version, so Java environment is installed into your system. So if you haven't installed the Java environment, I have already got separate video for that. You can check out on my description. So once you install the Java, you need to also have installed the Maven as well. So to check if Maven is installed or not, just type ambien -version. So if it shows something like Maven is not recognized as internal or external command, so you can install the Maven. So for that, just open your favorite browser and search for Maven and just go inside this mavenapache.org and just click on this download. So down here you will be able to see this binary zip archive. So just click on this zip file. So this will download the zip file for installing the Maven. So once this zip file is downloaded, just go inside this folder location and just right click and extract inside the C drive. So let me just go inside this PC and local disk C inside the program files. So let me just extract it inside this program file and let me just click on continue. So this will extract the Maven Apache file into the program file inside the local disk C. So once the zip file is extracted inside this program file, so let me just go inside this file and inside the bin and let me just copy this path and just search for edit environment variable and just click on this environment variables. So down here you will be able to see this path. So just double click this and click on new and you just need to paste it here. So I have already pasted here, so you can also do the same and let me just click on OK and let me just click OK. And if I just open my command prompt again and just type npm-version, so you can see the Apache Maven has been installed successfully into our machine. So now once this is done, so we are ready for deploying our Spring Boot application. So for that, we need to create one Spring Boot application. So for that, let me quickly open my IntelliJ here. And you can also create the Spring Boot application from Spring Starter from your browser as well. So I will be creating my Spring Boot application from here directly. So let me just click on this new project and just click on this Spring Initializer. So you can give any name. So let me call it AWS Deploy Demo, or you can give any name. Let me choose the Java version here and just give the group ID here. So you can do the same thing from your browser as well. And you can choose the Java version and let me just choose the jar file and let me just click on this next and just give some dependency here. So let me just give Spring Wave and just click on finish. So this will create the Spring Boot application. So once all the dependencies are installed, so let me just go inside this Java and inside here, let me just create one Java class. And let me call it home controller. And let me just give annotation REST controller here. And down here, I will be creating one method. Let me call it public string home. And inside here, let me return something like this is home page. And just give the annotation here request mapping. And let me just keep the slash here. And also let me just write the same thing here, request mapping. And this time let me give path like Arjun quotes and public string. Let me just give some method like Arjun quotes and just return some like this is my YouTube channel, or you can give any text and just for demonstration. So these are my controllers. So if I just run my application here, so you can see the application is running on port 8080. So if I just go to my browser and just type localhost 8080, so this will show this is home page. And if I just type slash Arjun quotes, So this will show this is my YouTube channel. So this is a basic Spring Boot application. So I want to deploy this application into AWS. So for that, just go to the Intel IZ here and just go inside this terminal and just type ambient clean install. So this will create the jar file for deploying the Spring Boot application. So this might take some time to install all the dependency and create the jar file. So let's wait for it to build. So you can see the build is successful. So this has created this AWS demo snapshot jar file. So we want to deploy this file into the AWS. So for that, let me just go to my browser and search for AWS. So let me just go inside the AWS here. So awsamazon.com, and you need to create one account. Create by just putting your details and billing details. So you can just put your Visa or MasterCard detail. So you will get the 1 year free trial account. So you can just create that as well, or you can also get the access for AWS Educate account. So once you create the account, so just click on this root user and enter your email address and just click on next. So let me just put my security check here. And let me just enter my password. So this has redirected us to the AWS management console. So inside here, let me just search for Elastic BeanStalk. So let me just click on this Elastic BeanStalk. And just go inside this Elastic BeanStalk and just click on this create a new environment. And just choose this web server environment. Let me just click on select and give some application name, something like Arjun Course AWS, or you can give any name. And once you give that name, let me just go down here and let me just choose the platform. So it's Java, and you need to choose the version as well. So in my case, I will be choosing the 11 version. And down here, just click on this upload your code and just click on this choose file. So now we need to go inside the project location. So in my case, it's inside this PC and inside local disk C, users, Arjun, and inside the idea projects and AWS demo. So if you are not able to find your project location, so you can just go inside the Intel IZ here. So you can see it's already showing on our terminal as well, or you can also just see from here as well. So you can just find your project location. So once you find your project location, so just go inside this project location and inside the target. So down here, you will be able to see this jar file. So AWS deploy demo. So just click on this executable jar file. So let me just click on open. And you can see the file successfully uploaded. So let me just click on this create environment. So you can see the environment has been created successfully. So if I just click on this link from here, so if I just click on this elasticbeanstack.com, so this will show 502 bad gateway error. So to fix this, you just need to go inside this configuration here and just click on this edit in the software section. And down here, you just need to just type server port and just put the server port 5000. And let me just click on apply. So you can see the port has been successfully updated. So now if I just click on this link again, so now this should work. So you can see this is home page, and if I just type /Arjun Course, so you can see this is my YouTube channel. So the Spring Boot application has been successfully deployed into the AWS. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.